now we're going to talk about finding the unknown side, working with area, okay? I'm just going to keep working with 20 because why not? So, remember, area is just length times width, okay? So, we have 20 units squared, and I put units squared because, remember, the square, it's a square. We're working with a square. It could say centimeter square. That means each side is equal to each other, okay? So here we have this, and they're giving us just this measurement. They're giving us the width. So the length is missing. So if I were to kind of write this equation, length times 4 equals 20. This is where your division comes into play. We're going to turn this into a division problem. 20 divided by 4 equals what? Okay, 20 divided by 4 equals what? So I'm going to count by 4s till I get to 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. How many fingers am I holding up? 5. So what's the missing length? 5. Remember with area, that's all you have to find because that's telling us the inside. Okay, let's try another one. And if you have to draw your equal groups picture, go ahead. That is totally fine. Okay. All right, let's try a little bit trickier one. Let's try, the area is 28 centimeters squared. And they're giving us this length and a question mark. So, length times width. This is length, how long something is. Width is how thick something is, okay? Mrs. Franks is tall. That's my length. My width is how thick I am, okay? All right, so we're going to do, we have the length. 7 times what? The width is equal to 28. Turn that into a division problem. 28 divided by 7 equals what? 7s are kind of tricky, right? So I might draw an array. I might draw equal groups here. Why not? I'm going to draw 7 groups. Count until I get to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I have 4 in each. 7 times 4 gives us our area for that shape. Okay? That is all I have for you guys. You guys will now be working through some problems, working on all these different things we went over. And yeah, that should be it. You might sometimes have a story problem. For example, I'll read this story problem. Just think about it. Perimeter is outside. Draw a picture, okay? So if I have Alex and his grandfather are tiling their rectangular kitchen floor. They need to use 42 tiles. They're making rows of 7 tiles. How many rows do they make? Okay? How many rows do you make? So we have, they need to use 42. I'm just going to put that in the middle. 7, okay? This is an area problem. They're tiling their kitchen floor. How many tiles do they need? They're using 42. So, question is exactly like what we just did. This is our total. That's our area. So, we're going to do 42 divided by 7, which is like 7 times what equals 42 equals something. Okay? 42 divided by 7 is... remember 6 and 8 went on a date. They came back and they were 48. So let's try 6 times 7. Take away a group of 8, and we get 6. So this will be 6. All right. Okay. Just read the problems. Martha has 63 quilt squares ready to sew together. She wants the quilt to be 9 rows long. How many squares will be in each row? Same thing. That would be an area problem. These ones are all area, okay? Just really pay attention to those. If they're finding what is in the inside, it's an area problem.